Here on Google, you want to search for YouTube TV help, and then on the first option that called support.google.com, you want to click on it. After that, you want to sign in to your account, and then please make sure that you choose the right account that you use to subscribe or buy package from YouTube TV. And then after that, here you want to scroll down until need more help, and then you can just click on contact us right here. On the step 1, on I need help with, you can just click on it and then click on YouTube TV. And below it, you can just enter your problem. So for example, I need help with my payment canceling, and then click on next. You want to scroll down a bit and then choose the best description. So for example, I want to click on cancel subscription and then click on next step again. Here on the step 2, YouTube TV help will recommend an article for you to read based on what your problem. You can just read on one of them. And if you're still unsure about it, you can just click on next step. And then here on the step 3, you want to make sure you are using the right email addresses. And then just click on yes, that's my YouTube TV email. And then on the second question, just click on skip, click again on skip, and then click on next step. And here at the contact options, you can speak to a real person on customer support by choosing either you want to message it by chatting or by email or get a call by a phone number. Sometimes only get a call options that will appear, but it's depending on the time of the day. You can also have the 3 options like I do here. And then if you feel your problem or question doesn't need to share any private information, you can just choose to post to the help community. This way you can get many point of view from people that hopefully can solve your problem. And that's how to contact customer service on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.